Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to change watermark image size in Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Then we go to the insert menu, select the header and footer option. Now I am click inside the header dialog box. Then we go to the header and footer menu, click the picture option. Then choose the watermark picture from our file. Now I am select the image, click insert and then click outside. We can see here the image. Now we want to change the size, click inside again and click before the text, then set the position of picture, then click again outside. Now we can see here the size. Now we want to change the size of image, click select the text and go to the header and footer menu, click the picture format option, select the size. We can see here the size and the rotation option. Now I am select the size, make size 8, the height and automatically change the white. You want to make the picture transparent, go to the picture option, select the color drop down menu, make it wash out, click OK and we can see we change the size easily. You can change the position, click inside again and change the position. Then we go to the view menu, select this normal option, then go to the file menu, select the print option. Now we can see we change the watermark image size in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.